How you doing? We're back. Today we're gonna make a different recipe. We're gonna do beef stew in Greek moskari ragu with baby potatoes. We're gonna start with the beef. About 2-pound tenderloin beef, and I cut it in these size pieces. Okay, we're gonna saute the beef first and cook it. So get started. We're gonna shred the onion first. Put a quarter of a cup olive oil. About 4 tablespoons. And I'm gonna saute the onion and the garlic first. I'm gonna put the beef one by one piece. Now we're gonna put tomato sauce, 1 can, the big one. Okay, it's 15 ounces. Okay, it's already sauteed, the meat. So I'm gonna use some allspices, 7 pieces. I'm gonna throw it in there, and 5 pieces of cloves. Okay. Some pepper. And 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to put some water in there. Spoon of tomato paste. Okay, now we're gonna close the pressure cooker. Gonna cover it. Put it on the high temperature till it starts steaming, and then we're gonna put it on a low temperature for whatever it takes to cook. It's gonna take about 30 minutes. But if you don't have any pressure cooker, you can do it in the regular pot, but it takes too long. I mean, about 2 hours, 2.5 hours in a low heat. So don't be afraid to use the regular pot. Okay, we're gonna wait for 30 minutes to see how it's gonna be. It's already started steaming. It's very high. You have to do it in a low temperature. We're going to put the temperature of the 4.5. Okay, you're going to see it's going low and it's not going to be that high. And we'll put the time for 30 minutes. In meanwhile, we're going to prepare the potatoes, the baby potatoes, so we can fry it. So they're going to be ready when the beef is finished. Okay, let's start the potatoes. We're going to take the potatoes, wash them and prepare them for fry, okay? Now we prepare the potatoes until everything is clean. So now we're going to fry the potatoes a little bit, okay? 35 minutes already. So I'm gonna open the pressure cook, gonna put under the water for a minute. With the cold water. So it's ready. You can see the meat is ready. We're gonna throw the potatoes then. Okay, I'm gonna throw the potatoes in there. Now I'm gonna close the pressure cook. 5 more minutes. We're ready to turn off the pressure cook. Take it out and put it in there. Put it down with cold water. And it's ready. Guys, the beef, it's melt. That was the recipe for today. Join us the next time for the next recipe. Subscribe please, and I love you. Thank you very much.